YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading we are going to check out your energies for the coming week in English language. So this reading is timeless, so whenever you happen to click on the link from that particular day for a period of say 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. And we are going to read for all of the zodiac signs from Aries until Piscean. If your sun sign, moon sign, or your rising sign is any of these, you can check whichever you relate to most, that one you can check for yourself. In the comment box below you can see timestamps for the zodiac signs. You can click on the timestamps and check your zodiac sign reading accordingly. So let us begin. This week Archangel Raphael has connected with me in order to give some guidance with regard to health for all of my friends here. So the guidance message that we are going to check are going to be by Archangel Raphael for health. So let us begin with our first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Arian friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Aries friends. Okay, so our Aries friends are feeling very powerful, and in their communications, whatever they have to speak, they are not beating around the bush. They are very clear with their communication. Either they or a person around them, who can be an Aquarius or a Libra person or a Leo person. This person has a very clear communication, can be a person in an authoritative position, might be in your company, or it can be your own energies that you are feeling in command and you are giving your clarity as well, asking for clarity from people around you. This person can be in a position of a lawyer, a judge, or a doctor also. So let us see. Great. So it is a fantabulous week for my Aries friends. Most of you have done a lot of mirror work, a lot of shadow work. You have healed your solar plexus chakra, your heart chakra, and your negative thinking pattern, and you've emerged very strong in the coming week. It's a time frame of your personal power, you attaining a certain status, success, name, fame, recognition coming towards you, you healing from chaotic times, moving towards. And for some of my friends, this is a literal travel to another city, state, or a country. Might be you're traveling in the week, or might be there is an opportunity of movement that has come to you. There has been a wish fulfillment in the last week. For many of my Aries friends, that's what I feel. A lot of healing has come to them. So if you were taking healings, I do feel that divine angelic realm was connected with you and a lot of healing has occurred. And now the time frame is for you to come into your strength, your personal power, to come out of the those unsettled times, of those periods when your health was not stable, when you were not emotionally stable, or stability was not manifesting into your life. So there is going to be a lot of clarity. Mercury is going to start its retrograde motion in the coming week. However, over here I feel that either you're going to ask for clarity from a certain person around you. This person can, in many cases, this person is a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. An Aquarius person and a Sagittarius person becomes very evident for you in the coming week. So I do feel that even if it is in a work area or in a relationship area or a health aspects or a financial area, there is healing, there is upgrade, there are opportunities of wish fulfillment that are coming towards you. Yes, so there is a person who is going to give you absolute clarity on your situation. So this is a time frame of you moving into a new chapter of your life. So in any aspect of your life, there is one chapter that is closing, and there is another chapter that is opening into your life in the coming week, which is going to bring you a lot of accomplishments. So whatever hard work you have put in, be it in your career, business, profession, or in your relationships or your health, you are going to reap the rewards of that hard work. So for many of my friends, this is an upgrade in their position, a status change. If you were wishing for a childbirth or movement, that you can manifest a movement for yourself or your child, or a marriage and commitment for yourself or for your child. It is a very beautiful time frame of your wishes coming true. Many of my friends who are seeking this reading can be spiritual healers or teachers. I do feel that you are reaching a next level of your awakening, wherein people around you are connecting with you, understanding your capabilities, and you emerging very strong in your predictions, in your healings. And so you are people are sorting you, people are looking up to you, and you are looked up for your services. There is some kind of an appreciation, affection that is coming towards you. And for many of you, I feel there is a blessing of a goddess on you. This is Goddess Durga, Kali Mata, who is blessing you in the coming week. So very beautiful week for you. Let's see what the health angels want to say. What is the guidance from the health angels for you? Your health seems very beautiful. If there are reports coming to you from doctors, I feel that you are going to move away from all that was uneasy with regard to your health, and you are gaining stability in your mental health as well. Your emotional, mental, and spiritual health all is improving. So very beautiful reading for my Aries friends. Very beautiful week of success. There is a middle person definitely who is helping you manifestation of this desire of yours. Might be to move to another city, state, or a country. There is a month also that they have given over here. I'm going to check that month to give you a clarity, as they are telling me that everything is about to manifest with for them in divine timing, and you are being asked to go with the flow. Time to act. So yeah, this is not a time for you to sit back and relax. In the coming week, you need to approach your seniors, you need to approach your doctors, your lawyers, and whatever healing, whatever status upgrade, whatever change in scenario, might be the movement or the new job or your spiritual upgrade, you need to act for your desires to manifest for you. And the month of May is significant, so this move for you can take place in May 2022, or might be something you did in May 2021 can bring you good results in this coming week. So the health angels have a message for you. They say ask your body for a message. So if there is a health condition that you're going through, you need to listen to your intuition. Sit down in a meditative mode, or while you're taking healings from my YouTube channel, you ask your body for a message. Which part of my body needs to talk to me? Which part of my body is aching, is needing help from healers, from doctors? So they say, dear body, please help me hear your message. Archangel Raphael, please guide me in honoring and respecting my body's needs. So while you're taking healings from our YouTube channel, just concentrate on your body. Ask your body to give you some kind of energy vibrations, or some kind of intuitive message, and you will sense the energy moving in a particular chakra. Some of you can have headaches, some of you can have a bit of sensation in your heart or your sacral chakra, or might be vibrations in your legs, and that's the body part which is healing. That's the body part which needs attention. You will be given this guidance during the coming week. So I wish you all the best for this beautiful week of wish fulfillment and divine connections. May you be blessed. Lots of love and best wishes to my Aries friends. Beautiful. So let's move forward and see the guidance for our Taurian friends in the coming week. How is the coming week going to be for our Taurian friends? So I feel that an opportunity of financial benefit or manifestation of a home or marriage or stability has already come for our Taurian friends in the last week, or might be they are seeking for a change. Okay. So it is a very, very beautiful, blessed week for my Taurian friends, and you must enjoy yourself thoroughly well. I do feel that you were waiting on a change, and that change has, those blockages from your body which were controlling you. There was a dominating person around you, and there is an end of that situation, and a lot of clarity has come towards you in the last week. So a very controlling situation that was around you has ended in the last week, and the change that you were waiting for is now heading towards you in the coming week. I do feel that you have been persevering through, you have been doing a lot, be it in your work area, be it in your relationship area or your health area. You have been taking healings, you have been doing it right with regard to your might be your food habits. So in the coming week, I feel that an opportunity, if you're seeking this with regard to work, so there is an opportunity which is your passion, absolutely your soul life purpose, that is going to come to you finally, because of the seeds that you've sown, the work that you were doing. A blessing on that is coming for you, and this opportunity you need to accept. That's what they are saying. And this opportunity can even involve travel for some of my friends. I do see you traveling. Either the opportunity will lead to a residential move, or it will involve to and back and forth traveling for you. Okay, and this is an opportunity of success, name, fame, recognition. This is an opportunity of positivity, of growth in your life. So in a work scenario, if there was a change that you were contemplating, you have made a major release of your ego, and that's how this divine gift, this opportunity is coming towards you in the coming week. So make the most of it. So it is a time frame of a big destiny shift for you. Energies are shifting. There is an upgrade. There is knowledge, wisdom, insight that you are going to gain. The zodiac signs which are most evident for you are Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo in the coming week. So these can be the zodiac signs of the persons who might bring in these opportunities for you. If you wanted to pursue your own career or a profession, a passion of your own, a business of your own, you can make investment, you can study, you can do courses, you can travel also for pursuing these courses or educating yourself. It's a very beautiful time frame of you emerging in your personal power. That's what I feel. If you were seeking an opportunity of childbirth for yourself, this is a week of manifestation of childbirth. Some of you have been patiently waiting for a conception of a child, and that is about to happen in the coming week for you. Made a major release from your sacral chakra, which was a blockage, and root chakra also. So there is a good time frame for child manifestation for you. If you were seeking this reading with regard to love, I do feel some of you have ended a relationship with a very dominating partner, and now this clarity has come towards you. You were wishing for change. There is a younger person moving towards you, and there is an opportunity of commitment, marriage, movement with them, and this is a divinely gifted opportunity that is coming towards you. Love can manifest in this relationship. For the zodiac signs that I gave you, this can be an opportunity of marriage and settlement for you. With regard to health, your health is rejuvenating. If there was a certain health regime that you were pursuing, it is going to bring you a lot of happiness and a lot of stability in your health. So I'm seeing your sacral chakra, your root chakra, and your solar plexus chakra gaining a lot of strength. That is good. Light-hearted, carefree energy. Yes, you're back with that. You've made your major releases towards the weekend. I feel you are enjoying with your friends and family members, maybe with your kids also. Coins. So this is a very, very beautiful reading. I do feel some of you are investing in a certain travel plan, or might be you're traveling, or investment on a child, might be for their education or travel, or contemplating an investment on a residence. So money will be coming to you. So this is a very, very beautiful reading for my Taurian friends. Make the most of this week. You need to take good night's sleep. So in case you are suffering from sleepless nights, you can take all chakra healing from our YouTube channel, and just as well the moon healings are going to help you release your stresses, and you can have good night's sleeps. Be very particular about your timings of sleeping and waking up in the morning, following a certain health regime, a sleeping regime. Fixing a time to sleep can help you, and might be in your dreams you are going to be guided also by the angels and archangels. So dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me relax and sleep deeply, for I know that you are guiding, healing and protecting me while I rest. Beautiful energies for you. So it is a time frame for you to rest and relax, rejuvenate your energies. Money is manifesting. Carefree, happy times ahead. Very positive week for my Taurian friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. So lots of love and best wishes to you. Great. So now let's move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Gemini. So most of my Gemini friends who are here are wishing for some kind of a spiritual upgrade. They are connecting with divine beings. They are educating themselves spiritually. Some of them are healers. Some of them are card readers who are here. I feel that this is a new journey that you have, which was your passion, which you've started pursuing, and you have started feeling kind of personal power. You are getting recognized for your healings, for your readings, for the efforts you are putting in your services. Seeing a lot of success for my spiritual friends, for the Gemini sign. So the coming week, Mercury is going to start its retrograde motion in the sign of Libra, and let us see if any guidance is coming towards you for this week with regard to the retrograde motion of Mercury. I do feel that you're very mentally sharp. There's a lot of clarity coming towards you. There was a change that you were contemplating, and I feel a divine blessing is coming towards you for this change. Definitely an opportunity of movement, travel. There was a change that you were contemplating, and for many of you this is an opportunity of adventure, movement, travel, gain of spiritual knowledge, also gain of you moving away from chaotic times to calmer times. Some of you have been in situations of a lot of fighting court cases or going through I do feel that you were going through a court case. For some of my friends, this reading can be centered around a person who was fighting a court case with an ex husband and ex-partner, and you were really depressed, going through a period of a lot of depression and sadness. And in the coming week, there is going to be clarity, there is going to be victory, there is going to be movement from this chaotic relationship towards calmer times. So all that was choking, all that was dominating, all that was suffocating and oppressive for you is going to be away from you now. So for many of my friends, I feel that there is literal travel in the coming week. Either there is literal travel, or there is a planning of travel that is being headed towards you. Movement from one city, state, or a country, or movement in a work scenario or a relationship scenario. That's what I'm seeing. However, there is a lot of clarity, mental clarity, and lot of energy, physical energy, passionate energy around you. So the change that you were seeking might be in your work area or for your relationship area. I do feel that there is a middle person who is going to help you in the manifestation of this desire. This person can be Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are the zodiac signs of the person that can be a middle person who helps you in the manifestations of your desire. If there was a health concern with regard to your parent, for some of my friends, I do feel that there is going to be healing in the coming week in this in this concern. So new opportunities, new ideas. Some of you are wishing to write your own books. Some of you are wishing to start your own business, profession, careers. So there is a new beginning that is about to happen in your life. So whatever you were investing in, your energies, your finances, whatever you were investing in, that fruits of those investments you're about to see in the coming week, which is very beautiful. So now it can be health regarding. If you were following certain health regimes, you were taking healings, your health is going to rejuvenate. If you were investing your time in a love relationship or the manifestation of a commitment, that you are going to see, you're going to have a passionate encounter with them in the coming week. If you were looking for a change in a work area, I do feel that there is going to be a senior person with whom you are going to have a clear communication that you want to manifest this opportunity for yourself of movement to another city, state, or a country, and you're very obsessed about this opportunity, and they will help you in this regard. Romance is in the air. I do feel that a very good passionate encounter towards the mid of the week you're going to have with your partner. Love is manifesting into your life. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. Eagle. Exactly. You are moving towards calmer times. All that was chaotic is behind you. Relationships. So Archangel Raphael is over here to heal your heart chakra, your sacral chakra, bring you healings in your relationships. So they say, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for healing and guiding all of my relationships upon the path of love. So all of your relationships are going to heal. So be it with your partners, your lovers, your parents, your children, your friends, extended family. If there were any concerns with regard to relationships, your relationships are going to heal in the coming week. So very beautiful, blessed energies for you in the coming week. So very week of a lot of healing and release of stress for you. So wishing you all the best, my Gemini friends. Beautiful reading for you. So let's move forward and see our guidance for our Cancerian friends in the coming week. For my Cancerian friends, I feel there has been an opportunity of either childbirth or freedom or financial independence that has come towards them. For some of my friends, this is an opportunity of travel, movement to another city, state, or a country. My Cancerian friends are in a manifestation mode, manifesting their greatest desires, expanding their horizons. Might be literally planning to move, or might be through their internet interactions. I feel that there are opportunities of growth that are coming towards them. So all that was lost, all that was making them sad, all those opportunities which never manifested for them in past, on those opportunities there is going to be a big justice that will come to you from the divine realm. So your karmic rewards, your justice, it's a time frame of all that coming towards you. So in the coming week there is going to be a release of some negative blockages from your heart chakra. In the last week you have experienced your 11-11 moment, an opportunity of stability, security, work from home, a manifestation of work in another city, state or a country, or love manifesting, marriage is manifesting. Stability coming in your relationships, that's what you've experienced. And a lot of stable, secured energy you have experienced. Even your health was good in last week. In the coming week, Monday, Tuesday, I feel that you are there is a person around you. Might be this person can be Cancer, Piscean, Scorpio, or a Libra person, and there is a situation around them that makes you feel very sad. Might be they are suffering from some kind of loss, and there is an energy, or might be this is an energy which is stuck in your heart chakra, which you are releasing. So there is going to be a communication with this person wherein you are going to discuss all those situations which have been lost, opportunities for you, and how this balance and justice has come to you from the divine. So I do feel some of you absolutely connecting with the lawyers, with the judges, a court of law. An involvement with a court of law can be significant for some of my friends. There can be paperwork being done in the mid of the week, and towards the end of the week there are many opportunities of expansion, many opportunities of growth, and for you to imagine, to daydream, to fantasize, be it in your work area, be it in your health area, or relationship area. So there is going to be a blessing that is going to come to you from a deceased loved one in heaven, from an ancestor, from a person who is watching over you from the heavens. This is a time frame of Shraddh, wherein you should be rendering your services, your doing some charity for your ancestors, for your lineage of your ancestors, your deceased loved ones in heaven. So because of their connection with you, there is a big blessing that is coming towards you, wherein now you are moving towards higher realms. You're connecting with authoritative figures in your companies. Blessings are coming towards you from big organizations also. As well, blessings are coming towards you from your parents, from your grandparents, and from spiritual people, from guides around you, and from gods and goddesses. So that's what I feel the energy around is, that you are very spiritual in nature. In the coming week, might be you're visiting some religious temples, some religious places, or you are in contact with a healer, with a person who is like a guide towards you, who is giving you justice in your situation and telling you exactly what needs to be released from your body, and telling you how you can work on your shadow aspects as well. So being the central card as the justice, I feel that the karmic rewards are going to come towards you. So the whatever opportunities in your life were lost, now they are going to be manifested in your favor. So big favor from a government organization or a big company is coming towards you in the coming week, and then you can start your fantasizing, your healing. You need healing on your heart chakra, your root chakra, your sacral chakra in the coming. So this opportunity in the last week can be with regard to your work area. So there is going to be a person in position, can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Libra person, who gives you many opportunities to manifest the second chance, to manifest stability, security into your life. For some of my friends, definitely a big blessing from a court of law is coming towards you. In a relationship scenario, if there is a court case that you are fighting and you are remorsing over a loss, I do feel that many opportunities and blessings are coming towards you. If you want to manifest a relationship of love, there are many people that want to connect with you, approach you. You can put your biodata on matrimony sites, and there are going to be opportunities of stability, security. I feel in the last week there is an offer of stability, security, love, marriage, settlement that has come towards you. But I feel that you are still in that phase wherein you are, remorsing the loss of your ex-partner. You need to come out of these sad energies and move towards the other options that are coming towards you. An older man is going to be significant for you in the coming week. Dealing or relationship with an older man is going to be significant. Owl, good advice from a wise person. So might be this older man is the wise person, is a person in position, might be in a company, or this is a spiritual person who is going to give you a good advice, or can be a judge or a lawyer also. So this person is going to become evident for you in the coming week. So you are improving health. That's a good news for my Cancerian friends. So this person can be a doctor also, a middle person who is giving you options for healing. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for your comforting reassurance about this situation. So if there is a health situation that you are suffering, know it from the divine Archangel Raphael that you are improving your health. You're coming out of those situations that were causing you a lot of mental and emotional distress. So very beautiful week ahead for my Cancerian friends. Wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Great times ahead for my Cancerian friends. So now let us move on to our next zodiac sign. Oh my god. So they are telling me that my Leo friends are having some kind of spiritual upgrade. So the next zodiac sign is that of Leo, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. So our Leo friends are ending some sort of a karmic cycle. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. They are telling me that it is a week of travel. It is a week of certain communication, clarity coming towards them from a person who can be Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. This can be a doctor or a lawyer, also a person in a certain position who gives you clarity. You are fighting some karmic battles, last karmic battles, and balance is going to come into your energies as a blessing from divine angels. I do feel that in the last week you had communications with your soul family, might be your ex-partner or your childhood friends, your siblings, your parents, or your friends from companies that you worked in last. So I feel that there is an opportunity which has come to you where this communication that happened between you and a person from past, some kind of communication, some kind of written work, might be this person gave you an offer of joining a certain company also. This offer can be with regard to travel also. I do see Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person evident over here. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, a Sagittarius person, an Aquarius person, a Libra person, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Yeah, these are the zodiac signs which are evident. So in the coming week, you're going to get a lot of clarity on this situation that you were really defensive about, that you were holding on to, that you were not willing to give up on. Now this relationship, this can be, situation can be with regard to a relationship that you were not willing to give up on. And so they are telling me that your energy is increasing in the coming week. So it is a week of, balance coming in, a balance of give and take. If you are seeking this reading with regard to love and commitment manifestation, I feel that you have been fighting for a partner from a very long time and wishing, being very defensive in this relationship also, and not willing to give up on this relationship with this person. And in the coming week, I do feel that there is going to be a clarity which will come to you from this person. There is going to be an equal give and take of love, compassion, and mutual respect. And in divine timing, love and marriage can manifest for you in this relationship. If you're seeking this with regard to work and career perspective, I do feel that, an opportunity from a person from past has come to you already, and this person is going to give you clarity. Can be some challenges, some competition with regard to this opportunity, and you will be given options. So go with the flow, go with the competition, given the options to you. Give your interviews and see. I feel in divine timing this can manifest for you. If this is with regard to a health area that you are seeking this reading for my Leo friends, I do feel that, with regard to your sacral chakra, you need healing, past life healing. Your sacral chakra needs healing. You are fighting karmic battles, so there is a certain karma that you have done in this life or past life, because of which these battles that you are facing in your health, can be your bone health, your teeth health. You are being suggested to go with the flow of the incidences, the situations happening around you. Even in your food area, you need to take the middle path. So having juices of many fruits is going to be good for you, soups of many vegetables. Do not do anything in extreme, be it exercising, be it any health regime. So follow the middle path. That's what is the guidance coming for you. Romance celebration party, exactly. I was feeling that for love and romance, this is a very beautiful week for you. So romance celebration and party is heading to towards you, and reconciliation, beautiful. So it's a week of reconciliation with your ex-lovers, ex-friends, your family members, and romance celebration and party, beautiful energies for you. Exactly what I was feeling for your diet regime, caffeine free. So you need to give up on your caffeine content. It can be in coffee, it can be in tea, or in your cokes and drinks, or might be you are having more of alcohol also. Be very careful of the addictive foods that you're having. So it will be a good idea to follow a good healthy regime with regard to your diet. Having more of fruits and vegetables and drinking more water can raise your vibration. So very beautiful week with regard to reconciliations and relationships, love manifesting into your life. Dear Archangel Raphael, I ask that you cut my cords of attachment to caffeine, so that I may honor my body's natural energy rhythm without chemicals. So be very careful about the chemicals that you're taking in your food. So your your energy is affected a lot by the foods that you're eating. So have less of sugar also. So wish you all the best. A very beautiful week ahead for my Leo friends with regard to their relationships. So wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. Moving on further to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Virgo. And let us see. So there is a cycle that is ending in the life of our Virgo friends, which is bringing them a lot of satisfaction, a lot of content, personal power, a lot of charisma. There are blessings from their mothers, there are blessings from divine goddesses, Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, Kali Mata. Freedom is manifesting into the life of my Virgo friends. It's a time frame of a destiny shift. Whatever you were putting in your hard work on that particular wish, desire is going to be fulfilled for you. What a beautiful blessed week for my Virgo friends. Make the most of it. So for many of my friends, this is a period of manifestation, definitely. That's what I was feeling. So with the three major arcanas, right, four major arcanas that I can see, I do feel that you have been very patient, you have been persevering through. There have been many challenges around you, there have been frustrating times, you have been in a stuck kind of a situation for a very long time, held in a situation, stuck in a situation, but you were not giving up. You were doing your best, you were fighting all your battles, you were going through all the challenges, you were living up to the expected competitions, and now universal energies are going to bless you. This is a time frame of manifestation of personal power. Because of your healings, because of your yoga meditations, I do feel with the Hanged Man at the base, I feel that you've really worked hard on yourself in releasing a lot many blockages from your body. Might be you were suffering in your bone strength also, in your physical body also, I feel, and you were suffering with the your communications also in past. But now you have become very powerful, and the divine energies are behind you. Angelic realm is behind you, helping you manifest your greatest desires. You have all the tools within you, and that's what you've started realizing now, that the power is inside of you, and it is not going to be given to you from any person outside of you. So you are very powerful, you are very charismatic, you are magnetic. You have it all inside of you to manifest your greatest desires, greatest desires in the coming week. So the start of the week with the Chariot energy tells me that you are exactly with the Scales and the Balance card. So you are balancing very well your negatives and positives. You have been working on your shadow aspects, your inner self, and now you know it very well that all that is not manifesting into your life is only because of your own shadow aspects, and you've really started working on your shadow aspects, taming your negative aspects and transforming it into positive. So working on your mind, body, soul, your spiritual energy, and converting all that is negative into your positive. So time frame of a lot of transformation. Monday, Tuesday is a time frame of personal power. It is a time frame of you coming into limelight. It is a time frame of you taking the command of your life, moving forward without any regrets, by understanding that your life, your power is in your hand now. For many of my friends, this can be a time frame of you planning a travel, literal travel also. Might be you are traveling on Monday, Tuesday. For some others of my friends, this can be a time frame of you planning a travel, or might be an opportunity of travel to another city, state, or a country. You are being guided to have more of water. That's what the guidance came across. So have more of water in the coming week. Even with the star card, the highlight was on this water. So I do feel that having more water, might be warm water, can help you cleanse your chakras, your energy body, and even cleansing yourself. I just went out of reading for the Chariot. It's a channel message coming across, so I have to make it clear. The more you will take baths, the more you will cleanse your energy via water. Salt water might be. Drinking more of water, green teas is going to cleanse you inside out. So whatever energies that you are attracting from other people, places, and situations needs to be cleansed with the water. So water energy is going to be very, very evident for you. And with the water energy, I do feel that, all the adaptability that is coming into your life, the changes in the situations, and you gaining your balance back, you becoming more adaptable, more adjustable with the changes, and a wish fulfillment coming towards you is happening because of you balancing your sacral chakra. So the sacral chakra is fed with water, and so for you, an intake of juices, fresh fruits, soups, more of green teas, more of warm water is really going to help you balance your chakras and bring you back into your personal power. That's what I feel for you in the coming week. So yeah, we were talking about the chariot and the strong energy that is coming towards you. Name, fame, recognition, love, affection, attention, all is coming towards you. Some of you are traveling, there is a possibility that a Cancer person, an Aquarius person, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person might be planning to travel towards you. For some of you in a work area, this is an opportunity of travel and movement which is manifesting for you, which was your wish, your desire to move to another city, state, or a country. That opportunity might be manifesting for you in the coming week. Mid of the week, with the energy of the star, there is a lot of healing, there is a lot of inspiration, hope, there is a lot of rejuvenation of your energies. You becoming a star, you becoming gaining the limelight, you coming back into your power, upgrades happening for you. It's a time frame of a big wish fulfillment for you. Towards the weekend, Two of Pentacles tells me that you're juggling your finances from one place to another, or might be juggling many tasks, your home task, your work area, or might be traveling. All in all, I can say that you are balancing your chakras, balancing act. That's what you're doing. You are adaptive now to the circumstances around you, and a lot of growth is manifesting for you. So there is an opportunity which can be involving traveling from one city, state to another, like to and fro travels for somebody. It is that what I study for you. In your relationship areas, I see that as you start giving yourself love and admiration, that same balance is coming towards you from other people around you also. So a lot of healing in your relationships, a lot of healing in your work area. There is an upgrade happening in your spirituality, in your work area. Your finances are also improving. That's what I feel. So keep your life in balance. So your work life as well as your home life needs to be in balance in the coming week. Broom. New home, new attitude. Beautiful. So some of you, I think somebody is moving into your home, or might be you're traveling to a new place, or might be you're cleansing your home. There is a new energy that is entering your home with the blessing of divine goddess. So might be expanding your home, construction, might be purchasing. A big wish fulfillment centered around your home area might be. Good night sleep. So this is a guidance message coming from Archangel Raphael for you. So you need to take good night sleep. In the coming week, make a regime of sleeping on a certain time every day and waking up on a certain time. You need to have good night's sleep to rejuvenate your energies, your balance into your body, and to balance your work life and your home life. Here again with the home and work areas balance, I feel. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me relax and sleep deeply. For I know that you are guiding, healing, and protecting me while I rest. So beautiful energies for you. Very strong week for my Virgo friends. Definitely there is an opportunity of travel and movement that you are seeking, and that wish fulfillment happens for you in the coming week, which is brilliant for you. So lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So, dear angels, let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. I feel that an opportunity of expansion, travel, exploration is what has already come to them. Divine blessings from a divine goddess, a spiritual upgrade, personal power. A certain good news has come into their life already. So in the coming week, I feel that there is going to be a news which can be a shocking news for you. However, I don't feel that this news is negative for you in any nature. This news is going to, rejuvenate you. This news is a blessing from your ancestors. So there is a big change heading for my Libran friends in the coming week. And if you have felt bored in your energies, jaded, bored, there is no passion in my life in past, I feel that an opportunity, which is a very, very creative opportunity, which heals your heart chakra, an offer comes to you in the coming week, which is going to happen because of this major release that is about to happen from your body in the coming week. And so your energies are going to rejuvenate. For my spiritual friends, there is another level of spirituality that you're going to reach. Some of you are absolutely going to study, join an educative program to increase your spiritual knowledge, to become a spiritual healer, teacher, or a card reader. So there is a big change heading towards you in that kind of a scenario. Okay. What else? So this is a time frame when you are being guided to release all your ego, release all your control, release all that is negative inside your body. If you want to become a person who is like a teacher, who is like a healer, you need to first work on your shadow aspect. So everything that is negative inside of you needs to be released. And over here they are telling me that forgiveness, you need to become forgiving towards other people, places and situations in your life. There is a blockage of, an energy block of, you not being able to forgive a certain person or a situation in your life, and that big release is going to happen for you in Monday, Tuesday. So you are being asked to open up yourself, take the healings of forgiveness, open your heart, mind and soul. There are two healings that we have made for forgiveness. One is forgiving the unforgivable, and another one is forgiving and letting go. Those two healings you are supposed to take throughout the week. You might see this release of energy via anger, shouting, crying. So there is going to be an explosive release of this energy from your body. Some of you can even suffer in your health, like can have colds, can have, this kind of coughing, sneezing, colding. So this is the energy that is going to be released from your throat chakra, your nose, your eyes, tears. All that is blocked in your heart and soul and mind is going to be released Monday, Tuesday. Mid of the week, I see you rejuvenating your health, following a certain health regime for yourself, and now gaining back your personal power. And then some of you have started to educate yourself for further growth or spirituality. And after this major release from your body, I see a very big blessing coming from your deceased loved ones, from your ancestors, from a spiritual realm, from your angels, archangels, or from a very big company, might be a government organization. So there is a person in power, in a position, who gives you an opportunity of learning, growth, financial benefit that comes to you in the coming week. Okay. Yes. So, if you were seeking this reading with regard to love and marriage manifestation or relationship healing, I do feel your heart chakra is going to heal in the coming week. There is going to be a situation of a drastic major energy release Monday, Tuesday, and eventually the stable opportunity of commitment for marriage is also going to come for you. So the zodiac signs which become evident for you are Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo in the coming week. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, these are the zodiac signs which are very, very evident for you in the coming week. Towards the end of the week, I see a spiritual upgrade happening for you. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you becoming a spiritual healer, teacher, a guide for other people around you. People are approaching you. Might be you are giving these classes, learning classes to people around you, telling them how to release these negative blockages of ego from their body. Something of the sorts. You should accept valid criticism. Exactly. I feel on Monday, Tuesday, there is going to be a situation around you wherein somebody is going to tell you your flaws. And the guidance over here is coming that there is an energy of unforgiveness which is blocked in your heart chakra, heart and mind. And that is the reason that you do not accept valid criticism also, because you feel that, if you start to accept the judgments of people around you, you will become a victim to their energies in future. So that is not so. You need to release this blockage from your heart chakra, and that is going to help you heal your inner child, your heart chakra, and rejuvenate your health further. Compliments from an admirer. I do feel that there is a person around you who is younger to you in age, can be a person who is admiring you, who gives you compliments, or he or she has an infatuation on you. Can be your child also, can be a student also. So mid of the week there is going to be compliments coming towards you and excitement. Wow, so it's a very, very blessed week for you. However, I just feel that there is a big blockage that is going to be released from your body, and eventually these situations of excitement are going to manifest into your life. Forgiveness heals. Exactly. Archangel Raphael has a message for you. So keep taking those forgiveness healings throughout the week. Dear God and Archangel Raphael, I am willing to forgive myself and others in exchange for what I really want, peace and health. So for my peace and health, maybe whatever I am suffering at present, this this nose congestion, this throat, I feel this is the energy I'm sensing for you also. There are blockages in your heart chakra, your throat chakra, your third eye chakra. So these have to be released, and with the help of the forgiveness healing, you will see the release of these energies happening from your body. And thereafter you gain this position of the spiritual healer, teacher, a person in an authoritative position who works from peace, who wishes good for everybody. So it's a very beautiful time frame of commitments and blessings coming from big organizations, institutes for you. So I wish you all the best, my Libran friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. So far so good. Moving forward to the zodiac sign of Scorpio, let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. So our Scorpion friends are contemplating a move, a blessing for commitment from a big organization, might be travel, exploring their opportunities of might be new work. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. Wow. So it is going to be a week of a lot of abundance. Monday, Tuesday, I see you taking good care of yourself, investing time and energy on yourself, might be visiting parlors, dressing up well, taking good care of yourself, nurturing yourself. There is a woman who becomes very evident for you in the start of the week. Can be your mother, can be a goddess. There's a big blessing coming from a deceased loved one in heaven for you. Spiritual realm is blessing you. Your ancestors, your deceased loved ones are blessing you. Wow, so there is a change heading into your life. Whatever change you were contemplating on, that blessing is coming towards you in the coming week. So you are going to get a lot of clarity on the situations that were vague, that were unclear to you, that were of delusion, that were fake, that were of deception also for some of my friends. You are going to cleanse the energy of negativity from your subconscious mind, and there are going to be an opportunities of rebirth. There are going to be opportunities of second opportunities of reconciliations, of people coming back from past for the situations that did not occur for you before. Those opportunities, those situations are going to manifest for you in the coming week. So all that was choking you, all that was dominating, all that was negative can be in your own energy vibration. A big shift of energy, big change is going to come towards you. The only guidance that comes to you is not to become greedy, not to become selfish. If you're thinking of investing, contemplating an investment on a parent, or giving charity to a big organization, might be a religious organization, go for it, do that. Don't be greedy in doing that. You are very abundant, you are very blessed. So there is an energy of your partner, there is an energy of your parent around you. Commitment for marriages, definitely. Wanted to manifest childbirths, definitely heading towards you. Growth in an organization, a big blessing from a government organization might be, or if you were thinking of manifesting growth in your business or manifesting home, good opportunities are heading towards you in the coming week. So very, very beautiful time frame for you. I do see you visiting some religious person, a spiritual person, or dealing with a religious spiritual person. If you are wishing for a change in your career and wanted to pursue a spiritual career for yourself, or if you are a spiritual person, I do feel that there is going to be an upgrade in your energy, but that is going to happen when you work on your shadow aspect. You give up on your greeds, you give up on your temptations, and your food, they are guiding me, your addictions. So for all of your week, my Scorpion friends, if you will take that healing of addictions and codependency patterns, that is really going to help you manifest whatever you want to manifest in your life. So something important such as new job or a raise. Yeah, exactly. So I feel that a position raise, a job raise, an opportunity of growth is coming towards you. And the month of February 2021 might be significant for you, or might be this, this raise in position, this financial blessing comes into your bank in February 2022. So the month of February becomes evident for you. So for many of my friends, I feel that this is a blessing of heredity money also that can come to you from your parents, grandparents. It is a blessing from your ancestors that is coming towards you in the coming week. Easy does it, beautiful. I do see a child over here. So with in dealing with your child or a child parent relationship, you need to be easy in this relationship. And for you, the guidance is to heal your inner child, and whatever you want to manifest in your life, you are persevering through. For the coming week, you need to relax your energies, make your wish to the universe and relax, and in divine timing it will manifest for you. Dear Archangel Raphael, please help me detach, retreat and let go so that healing can occur. Beautiful. So make your wish and then detach yourself from the outcome of this desire, and this healing will occur for you in divine timing. This will manifest for you. So beautiful energies for our Scorpio friends. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Let's move on further. and see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpio friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. So the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Scorpion friends. So our Scorpion friends are feeling abundant. There is a news of a big destiny shift that is heading towards my Scorpion friends in the coming week. It's a time frame of celebrations. It's a time frame of change heading towards them. A certain documentation work that is going to come towards you, can be a health report of a person or an upgrade, a report card of your child, something of the sorts might be. Let me see. A Sagittarius person, a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person, a Gemini person becomes evident for you in the coming week. I'm not going to take so many cards, and let me just see one more card I want to take for my Sagittarius friends. Yes, so this one. So however they want to give me the message, so I'll be having a look at these cards. So there is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion, an Aries person or a Libra, Gemini person around you who is wishing for some kind of travel, freedom, and this person feels a lot of boredom in whichever place they are. Their greatest need and desire is freedom and travel. Their inner child heals with this energy, so they feel heartbroken, they feel discontented with life, they feel there is something lacking in their life. A person around you who is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries or Libra person. So this person is going to might be approach you in the coming week, and it's possible that they want to ask for a certain healing from you on this area of life, but they the greatest thing that they wish in the relationship is freedom, travel, movement. So for my Sagittarius friends, I feel that there is a person around you who feels very, very disturbed, who feels very difficult to communicate with you. So this person wants a lot of freedom. This person wants to heal their inner child, and this person is going to ask you to nurture them in the coming week. So either this destiny shift is happening in your life, or it can be happening into the life of the other person around you. And so there is going to be a communication with this person in the coming week who is going to tell you that there's a big change that I am contemplating. So this change can be with regard to a certain healing, might be, or can be with regard to healing on their health or health of a person, or might be with regard to a major decision of travel or shift. That's what they want to say. So let us see. So start of the week, there is going to be good luck, there is going to be money manifestation, there is going to be opportunity of happy times. Mid of the week, I see you nurturing people around you, or there is a person, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person who is around you who becomes evident. And towards the end of the week, there is going to be a certain challenge, there is going to be a certain communication, might be, or travel, or might be there is somebody's health that is suffering. Can be your own health or the health of a person. However, I do feel that there is a person around you who feels it like a challenge and a competition to communicate with you. So they are going to approach you for a certain communication. So all that was unclear to you can become clear to you only when you allow this person around you, can be your child also, can be your partner, can be your child, can be your parent, who is in need of a lot of space and freedom. That's what I feel. You should accept valid criticism. I do feel that this person, or might be you yourself, towards the weekend, you're going to realize that there are energy blockages inside of you yourself, which are making it difficult for you to communicate with other people around you. So this is a blockage in your throat chakra and your heart chakra, which needs healing. Light-hearted, carefree time. I feel that from the beginning of the week until the mid of the week, you are going to enjoy this light-hearted, carefree time. Might be with your children or with your friends, partners around you. Children become evident. Yeah. So for my Sagittarius friends, there is a situation around their children which becomes evident for them. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me to help children. So you are being guided to help your children in the coming week so that it does not become suffocating and choking for them to communicate with you. Might be there's a Piscean Cancer Sagittarius person who feels very, very difficult to communicate with you. Can be your child also. And if you were wishing for child manifestation, a destiny shift is taking place for you, and might be you can come in contact with a healer who helps you in the manifestation of child. Yes. If you were seeking opportunities of move and travel to another city, state or a country, I do feel that an offer has come to you, but there are many competitors for you in the company, so you need to approach a middle person to help you manifest this in your favor. So I wish you all the best, my Sagittarius friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Lots of love and best wishes to you. So let's move further to our Capricorn friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. So the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Capricorn friends. Okay, so many cards have fallen right away. So my Capricorn friends, like me, they have been doing a lot of mirror work. They have been doing a lot of shadow work, working on their negative aspects. In the last week, there is an opportunity of stability, security that has come to them, that they want to keep it as a secret. That opportunity of, can be a financial opportunity also, or can be an opportunity of love manifesting, secretive love manifesting in their life, wherein they are feeling very satisfied with a person who can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person, or a Taurus, Virgo person. So let us see what's happening in the coming week for you. So in the coming week, I do feel Monday, Tuesday, you are having sleepless nights. So there is a lot of stress, anxiety on your mind with regard to a certain situation. This can be with regard to health of a person, health and healing of a person, or might be with regard to travel. You're wishing for some kind of divine blessings for yourself, or might be financial blessings wherein you feel that you should be blessed financially from the divine realm. So if you're seeking this reading with regard to love, I do feel that secretive love is manifesting into your life, and you are wishing for stability, security in this relationship. And Monday, Tuesday, I see you interacting with the person but feeling very, very depressed, that there is no clarity in the situation. You're having sleepless nights also. Some of you are actually around a person who is suffering in their health, might be mental health. Mid of the week, I see you moving to towards calmer times. For some of you, it is like traveling. I do feel that you or a person around you is traveling. Towards the weekend, a divine blessing, a gift from the universe is coming. Either you are going to gift something to a person around you, or a person around you is going to gift you something. Lot of balance and energies is going to come. There is going to be hope, stability, security, and balance and routines of your homework and your official work that is about to happen for you. So healing, it's a week of healing, you coming out of your stresses, your anxieties. So there is a new chapter of your life beginning. For some of my friends, this is an absolute opportunity that has come to you for travel, moving to another city, state or a country. Might be for your work or might be for some other settlement, and manifestation of a home also might be. And this opportunity is another, a life chapter that is beginning into your life. And you are stressed with regard to this opportunity, definitely, I feel. For some of my other friends, this is with regard to, manifestation of childbirth. And there is a certain healer who has connected with you and you want to keep it secret, this manifestation of childbirth, and this will happen for you. It's a good time frame. Healing will come for you. There is a middle person involved in this situation, a doctor, a healer who is going to help you in the manifestation. In a love relationship also, there is going to be healing, there is going to be communication, there is going to be balance of give and take, definitely. Wow, something important such as a new job or a raise. So a new job or raise is heading towards you. Might be you were stressed about this Monday, Tuesday, and from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, this opportunity manifests in your favor. Be careful, do not take risks. So this is not a time frame for you to take risks. So come in contact with the middle persons as well. Keep your secrets to yourself. Do not be discussing it with many people around. News is on its way. So news is on its way. Some kind of communication is going to come towards you of this upgrade happening for you. Wow. Use your natural healing abilities. So if there is a person who is unwell around you, I do feel that this person can heal from Reiki pranic healings. There are a lot many healings on our YouTube channel. So for yourself or for a person around you, natural healing, natural therapies are going to be helpful for them. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for clearly guiding, encouraging and supporting my healing work. So if you're a healer also, you call upon Archangel Raphael during your healing work, and Archangel Raphael is going to increase your abilities of natural healing. Wow, beautiful. So very, very beautiful week for my Capricorn friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. You are moving out of the chaotic times of all the periods of anxiety and stress. That's the good news for you. Lots of love and best wishes to my Capricorn friends. Beautiful. Now let's move forward to our Aquarian friends and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. So what are the energy vibrations for my Aquarian friends? So there is a scenario of cheating, deception, manipulation that is happening around them. Something you want to manifest, but you want to manifest by hook or crook. That kind of a feeling is there, that you want to win at any cost. Either you or the person around you is manipulative, might be. Okay, let's see. So last week might be you were traveling, or there was an opportunity, an offer of travel, movement that you were seeking for, or it has come to you. Okay, so I feel with regard to love, if you are reading this with regard to love, I feel that last week you've had a lot of passionate encounters with a lover, with a partner who is younger to you in age. And there has been a lot of communication as well, physical encounters. So there can be a scenario of you, keeping a certain relationship in secret. And this relationship makes you feel like, as if you have a divine connection with this person. This person can be Gemini. This person can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Sagittarius, Aquarius. They are younger to you. They have an offer of love for you. And I feel that you feel very much energized talking to them, or even having some kind of an intimacy with them. But I feel you want to manifest stability with them of some sorts, and that is what causes you mental stress also, or boredom also, that this offer is not complete in itself. That's what makes you feel bored, jaded, and a discontent in this offer, and this makes you feel negative also. Although you have enjoyed a thoroughly good time with them in the last week, in the coming week also, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I see you again enjoying with them and sensing that some kind of commitment will come in this relationship. But then from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I again feel that there is a lot of negative thinking and discontent, and this energy is stuck in your third eye chakra and your sacral chakra. So all of the week you are being guided to take sacral chakra healings, and forgiveness heals, they say. So if there have been situations around you in past, there are people and situations from past that you need to forgive. You need to take forgiveness healings from my YouTube channel. There are 2 healings of forgiveness. One is to forgive and let go, and the other one is to forgive the unforgivable. You can take those healings throughout the week, and also take the third eye chakra healing and sacral chakra healing to help you out of this negative blockage from your body, to help you manifest these new relationships and commitments into your life. So from the beginning of the week till the mid of the week, this is a time frame of name, fame, recognition, and attention, affection also coming towards you. If you're seeking this reading with regard to a work or a passion opportunity that you want to pursue for yourself, I feel that a certain communication has happened in the last week with regard to a work or a passion that you want to pursue. It can be inclusive of a residential move or a travel also. Choices have been given to you, and you really want to manifest this into your favor, but there are some doubts in your subconscious mind, and you feel that the offer comes with a certain discontent. It's not as per your expectation. That kind of a feeling I'm sensing that you're having. But you need to do mirror work. You need to work on your shadow aspects in order to emerge completely into your own personal power. You need to forgive people around you, situations around you, because you are feeling like a victim. When you are in this unforgiveness mode, you feel that you're a victim to other people having power around you. So you need to release this energy from your mind, body, and soul. That's what the message is coming across. It is a time frame of happiness, positivity manifesting into your life. Trust me, dear friends, when you release this negative blockage from your own body, your own energy system, I feel that a yes answer is heading towards you, be it in a relationship, be it for travel, manifesting name, fame, recognition, upgrade, or movement to another city, state, or a country, or any opportunity of childbirth also. It will happen for you, of marriage and settlement also. Just as you forgive yourself and other people for all that has gone wrong in your life. Seek out information that will help you, definitely. You will be playing a different role. I feel in the mid of the week there is going to be an opportunity of upgrade for you. Beautiful. Advice from a friend. So an advice from a wise friend is very well welcomed for you. And dog barking, this friend is a loyal, sincere friend. So there is going to be communications with this friend in the coming week. Sobriety. So the guidance message coming across over here is you to follow sobriety in your life with regard to food also. Eat high vibrational foods, vegetables, fruits, more of water. Take care of your addictions. You can take the addiction and codependency pattern healing also. Stay away from caffeine, alcohol, drugs, smoking. That can rejuvenate. Might be these blockages are happening for you because you're drinking a lot, so you feel low in your energies. So you are being guided to become more sober with your lifestyle, to manifest these big opportunities of settlement, marriages, upgrades in your life. Lots of love and best wishes to my Aquarius friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. Now let us move on to our last zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. energy vibrations for the coming week for my Piscean friends. Let us see what are the energy vibrations and guidance for coming week for my Piscean friends. So my Piscean friends have been wishing for some kind of a good news that should come to them from a big organization or from a person in authoritative position, or might be a blessing from ancestors, deceased loved ones, a second chance, reconciliation, something of the sorts they are wishing for. Okay, so very beautiful week for my Piscean friends. Congratulations. If you were in isolation from your partner, from your lover, this is a time frame of you coming together, both of you. So all that was toxic in your life, all that was dominating, chaotic, all those people who were non-cooperative with you, be it in your family relationship area or be it in your work area, now they are going to be away from you. Your karma is going to be paid. There is going to be a lot of balance. You are going to be away from the toxic situations, people, places. That's a beautiful energy. And if there was a third party situation in your love environment, with your soulmates, with your partners, that situation is going to heal in the coming week. So I do feel that, Monday, Tuesday, there is an energy of you staying in isolation and, reading, gaining spiritual wisdom, doing meditations, contemplating, soul searching, looking for the answers of all the questions that are inside of you, from inside of you. Exactly, the answers are inside of you. Some of you are going to come in contact with spiritual healer or a teacher and seek your guidance from there. There can be a Virgo person evident, an Aries person evident, a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio person, a Libra, Taurus person evident for you, Capricorn person evident for you in the coming week. Mid of the week, I see you having beautiful relations with friends and family members as well, connecting with the angelic realm because of the meditations, the contemplations, the yogas, the time that you were giving to yourself, soul searching. You find your answers, divine connections are going to be built, and there is going to be healing in relationships that are going to come in the mid of the week. Equal exchange of compassion, love, opportunities of growth coming to you from people in position in the same company, or might be opportunities of growth and expansion coming towards your partner or your parent, a senior person. A relationship is healing with your parent or your partner. That's what I feel. There is an elderly person around you who is spiritual in nature, who can be your guide, can be a senior person in a company also, who brings blessings for you. So I do feel that, you need to have a kind of a diplomatic communication with the person who is very dominating and controlling on you, in order to manifest the opportunities of growth and prosperity into your life in the coming week. Go with diplomacy, go with the middle path, and approach them as soulmates to manifest what you desire. Towards the weekend, the Emperor becomes evident. This person can be your father, a position in authoritative position, a person in authoritative position in a company. Your partner, somebody who is having a control, can be your own energies also. If this controlling egoistic energy is your energy, then you are being asked to operate from love and peace in order to bring balance in the relationship. If you are in a non-committed and a non-communicative relationship with your partner, you are being asked to release your ego and operate from love. Dealing or relationship with a younger man is going to be evident for you in the coming week. Good fortune is ahead for you. Beautiful. So, Beetle, good fortune. I feel opportunities can manifest for you as you, take the middle path. So for my spiritual friends, this is a time frame of upgrade, you working on your own negativities, your addictions, and growing. Children become evident for some of my friends. Yeah, I do see a senior person communicating with their children. So dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me to help children. It is a time frame for you to release your ego and help your children around you. Detoxification. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for cleansing my body, mind and life so that I may happily and healthily live free of chemicals. So coming week is a week of detoxification for you. You can use crystals, you can take salt water bath, you can use sage, you can listen to good music that can raise your vibrations, you can take our healings to detoxify your energies. Stay away from addictions in the coming week. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to my Piscean friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. I feel that you need to take that healing of addictions and codependency patterns throughout the week. That is going to help you come out of this blocked energy inside your body. So wish you all the best, and I wish all the best to all of my friends here on Healing Souls. Thank you very much, dear friends.